Are you looking for the best e-bike conversion kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EBikeling Fat Tire Direct Drive Electric Bike Conversion. Not all e-bike converters are meant for racing. The EBikeling Fat Tire Direct Drive Electric Bike Conversion Kit is specifically designed for your fat tire bike. In fact, it's one of the few fat tire bike conversion kits on the market right now. With this kit, you can choose from a thumb or twist throttle. You can also choose between an LCD or LED display, giving you options for personal preference. The aluminum double-walled rim comes with the hub motor assembly already attached for quick and easy conversion. All you have to do is just switch out your tire and hook it up. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kunray Electric Brushless DC Motor Complete Kit. If you're looking for a seriously high-powered e-bike conversion kit that won't limit you in any way, the Kunray Electric Brushless DC Motor Complete Kit is the perfect pick. This DIY e-bike kit will deliver up to 2,000 watts and 4,300 RPMs of power and give you 3 different speeds to choose from, and you'll be able to enjoy extreme power thanks to the included brushless high-speed electric motor. Even though it's strong, the motor is nearly noiseless. The e-bike kit also includes a handlebar twist throttle with an accelerator, wires, and cables, and all of the pieces you need for mounting and installation. At number 3, we have the EBike 26-inch 1.75-inch front-wheel electric bicycle motor kit. Boasting an impressive 1,000-watt motor, the EBike electric bicycle e-bike motor conversion kit is a great balance between power and price. It's compatible with any 26-inch bicycle wheel, and since this size is common for urban bikes, the odds it will fit are in your favor. This front hub wheel assembly is capable of reaching speeds up to 45 km per hour. The dual-mode controller allows the motor to work under Hall and non-Hall effect to help extend the life of the components. The handy and smart pedal assist sensor actually senses your pedal cadence and will adjust the motor turning rate accordingly. At number 2, we have the EBikelling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit. The EBikelling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit is a rugged, yet lightweight and easy-to-install kit that will allow you to quickly convert your regular bicycle into an efficient and powerful electric bike. This front-wheel conversion kit features an aluminum double-walled rim with the hub motor already attached. It comes ready to install right out of the box. With this kit, you have the option of choosing between a thumb throttle or a half-twist throttle. And finally at number 1, we have the Lfaster Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Coming as the electrical supplies alone, the Lfaster Electric Bike Conversion Kit lets you stick to a reasonable budget while enhancing your bike significantly. The chain drive is made specifically for a bicycle with electric gears. The 24-volt electric wheel uses brush motor technology featuring a freewheel structure. It runs on 250 watts, which, while not the most powerful, is a safe amount of power to retrofit a standard bike without causing excess wear and tear or balance issues. Complete with the chain, sprockets, mounting plate, hardware, and thumb throttle, it's a fairly basic setup, but it gets the job done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.